Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maestro Kelbong once again, and dito po tayo ngayon sa school, and today is actually the orientation, the class orientation. I finished my class orientation at 10 to 12 kanina, so it's really good. I was able to meet my students. Later on, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the video because I recorded it on Zoom. Just a clip of that. And what else? Yeah, I just want to share to you guys my experience doing the online class today, the synchronous class. But before that, let me just explain to you the difference between synchronous and asynchronous class. First, let's before that, I would like to greet everybody else. Good day. I hope that you are doing fine in your in the comfort of your homes. I hope that everyone is safe out there, because you know this virus is really really terrible. It has, like I said, infiltrated everyone's minds, health conditions, and it's terrible. It's been killing people since the beginning of the pandemic, and it's really terrible. But yes, also thank you so much to our subscribers. We have more than 417 subscribers already, so thank you so much for subscribing, and keep subscribing so you will be updated with the things that that we have or that we upload here on my channel. Yeah, so if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the like button and of course the notification bell for updates of my upcoming vlogs.
This is Maestro Kelbong.
So yes, that's it. Like I said, I just want to emphasize the difference between synchronous and asynchronous class. So there are many students who have been asking, many parents are really curious about what the differences are. Okay, so this vlog is actually dedicated to our parents who've been asking, or even the students who've been asking about the differences between synchronous and asynchronous class. In our school, in St. Louis College, we employ these two kinds of learnings. Okay, but of course, with the choice of the students or parents to have either the two types of learning modality, we have the hybrid learning or the online learning, and then we have the flex or modular. Okay. Yes, when they enroll their children in our school, they had the freedom to choose which modality they would like to take. Yes, most of them took, of course, online modality. Also, some students took the modular, but as we moved on to our classes, some students really changed their modality, maybe because of the convenience as well. But there's nothing wrong with that. The most important thing is we are learning, right? And yes, so like I said, that is the basis of our synchronous and asynchronous class. So here we go. For the synchronous classes, actually this is purely online. This is done through different platforms or different ways to meet our students. But differently, synchronous class is the online class. So that is a face-to-face class through through an application. So we have the Zoom, we have Google Meet, and what else? There's Skype, right? We do that. But for big groups, usually we have the Google Meet and the Zoom. For our school, we use the Zoom. Okay? So we can, Zoom can accommodate more than 100 people. If the school was able to buy that thing for the Zoom, then we can extend even the time. All right. So we do that. That thing is a synchronous class. We do it online. Yes. That is Sir Lawrence. You know, he's been doing like that ever since I started vlogging. What do you want to feature? Is there anything you want to feature? Yes, he wants to feature his tea. What kind of tea? Hey, don't misunderstand. We have the authority. This is sponsored. I'm gonna make a vlog, a separate vlog for that, so please wait for that. So like I was saying, yes, a synchronous class is actually the online class. real-time online class. So through the use of one application, that's where you teach your students about your lessons, okay? At real time at this designated time. So like I said, in our school we use the Zoom, so we just have to make a meeting, a new meeting, or schedule a meeting with our students, send the link, and then they will have to open on that date. Okay. And for the asynchronous, this is actually how do you call this one? We have the modular and the learning management system, right? For the online class, for those who are enrolled in the online class, they can actually do both the synchronous and asynchronous. Let's just put it this way: synchronous is online and asynchronous is offline. That's the basic thing, right? So yes, if you are enrolled in an online modality, definitely these two things can be done. There is synchronous class, that's the online face-to-face, and then asynchronous, that is done through a learning management system. That is a self-paced learning. Okay, that is how do you call this one? Asynchronous, self-paced po yan. Pag synchronous, just real-time, the meeting that is usually done with the class or consultation, mga ganyan. But for asynchronous, kailangan it is a self-paced. You can do it with the module or a learning management system that is available in your school. So yun po yung dalawa. Okay? So hopefully you understood a little bit of the synchronous and asynchronous class to those parents. Like I said, ang synchronous class, that is online class. Asynchronous class is yung module or learning through a learning management system. Yan, LMS. Dito sa school namin, meron kaming Genyo. Other things, they have links like that. So maganda po siya. Okay? So I hope yung mga parents, the students are enlightened about this mode, the synchronous and asynchronous class. He will appear anytime soon, okay? Yeah, so should you have any queries or questions, you can comment down at the comment section. You can put your questions there, and you may as well visit the Brew Authority here in front of St. Louis College. And yes, that's the boss. That's the boss.
Rooms, probably some of you are outside, some are in the living room, some are also in the restroom. All right.
Hi guys, hi sir, my name is Sarah Pagig.
Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening and for watching. And if you are new again to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye. Yes, we are ready.
This is Maestro Kelbong.